My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Guys, I think I'm getting gooseberries, you know, but I'm not sure. Like, alright, so this one looks like a ripe one right here, but I remember the person told me that these two are edible, but I'm not sure. Like, I don't know, and like what size they ought to be. See this one around here, this looks like a ripe one. I don't know if this is it, if I should pick this and have this. I'm going to do some more research. Anyone knows about these gooseberries? I'm going to try to contact the person. I see where, like, I'm going to get a bloom right there. I don't know if this is a, oh, it's a fruit coming on with a bloom right there, but I'm expecting them to be bigger. Well, I am thinking they should be bigger. I'm not sure. That's a mystery right there for me right now. Ah, boy, look at my cantaloupe that I planted. Something, look there. Why these pestilence? Got that one. This one struggling to make it, and that one there struggling to make it as well. Getting more June plums. Seem like I'm going to get corn. Let's see if I can help it out a bit. See if I can help it out a bit. All of them drop off. Let me try another one. Got all of that. Alright, so let's see. They're looking very, very flimsy. So if I get something, well, I see that I'm getting something. Whatever I get, I'll appreciate, because those plants are not looking good at all, and my pumpkin patch not looking good either. I think from a spring joint right there, the vine right there, yeah, that's where it'll break loose, but I can see that it is fighting back. So let's see. Look at these stink bugs on my eggplants. Look, trying to hide from my sugar canes, guys. Look at here, growing. We are slated to have a whole lot of rains. I heard some persons in Kingston saying that they're getting the rains already, but I don't know. Put more. We're not getting none yet. Got all these sweet socks. Look there, a whole lot of sweet socks or sugar apple, and the birds are sure nibbling. Alright, so I'm going to add the soil to the sweet potatoes, the slips that were planted yesterday. I still don't get the manure as yet. So as soon as I get them, I'll just put it on top. So I'll leave it there. Yeah, I'll work with this. Looking for his eyes. I'm looking for his eyes. It looks safe. Alright, so we'll work with that. Those watermelons inside there, so I don't know what's going on, you see? I don't know what's going on for them. So it won't hurt because I have the seeds put down anyways. So I'm just going to put a few more in the soil. It won't hurt. Leaf mine, I take them over, and the armworms are all over in the soil. So I ordered some diatomaceous earth, so hopefully I'll get it soon. Hopefully. I'm not going to water these because the soil is moist and we're expecting rains like I mentioned earlier. Sometimes I don't get to do much gardening in the mornings, but sometimes I do. Sometimes I do a host of stuff. Like, it's hard to get the camera in back and forth, especially when you just want to quickly get some things done. You just want to go and just get it over with. So I'll leave you here for today, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.